So guys, I'm riding my bike at this park. As you can see, it's quite beautiful, nature everywhere. And I noticed a nature trail, and I like to explore. So guys, come along for the tour, guys. Let's see what kind of fun I can find. So far, it looks a bit scary. I wouldn't recommend anyone going down a nature trail by themselves because you never know what you're gonna encounter, you know? But so far, cool. Hi guys, it's me again, back at it with another video. Real quick video I should say. I'm at a park, and this is a nature trail. I was told that there's a lot of wildlife around these parks, so just basically gonna go around and see if I could capture any kind of wildlife. Hopefully I don't get attacked by a bear or anything that might be dangerous. But guys, stay tuned guys, let me see what I could find. So keep watching. Like always guys, the 360 degrees, so you can see where I'm going and you can see the view as well. Well, I'm heading this way. I'm not really sure what's the destination is. It's my first time here, you know, at this nature trail. It looks quite scary because I have no idea where I'm going or where it ends, but I'm pretty much trying to discover something new guys. So I'm happy that you're here with me, and we can explore together guys. Trying to see how close I can get to this baby rabbit. He is like so adorable, the cutest thing ever. Guys, look at this guy, and look, he is like so brave. He's not even moving guys. I guess he's used to seeing people, so he's not really scared. Oh, there he goes guys. He's like the cutest thing. Look at that. And I'm chasing rabbits. So far, okay, there he goes. And the view pretty much is amazing. There's birds everywhere, as you can see. So this is pretty much where the nature trail takes me. There's like, you know, pretty roses or plants. This is nature, and it's pretty much amazing guys. I'm not really sure what these are or what they're called, but they're pretty cool. It's part of nature, and as you know, I love nature, and every chance I get I try to explore. So guys, I just saw a beaver. I'm trying to see if I can get a closer picture of this beaver. I don't know where he went guys, but they're really fast. Oh, there he is guys. Let me see if I can give you a close-up all the way over here. Let me see. Guys, it's a beaver. I'm going in, guys. He's eating. Oh, I think he saw me. Let me get a little bit closer. There he is, guys. There he goes. There he goes. He is so beautiful. Guys, this is what nature is all about. Absolutely amazing. Hopefully, I don't run into anything too scary. So guys, let's keep moving forward to see what else we can discover. Guys, also it's getting a bit late, so I don't know how much longer I can stay in this nature trail. So far I have seen a couple things that I think is like really cool and fun, but nature is just beautiful and I just like exploring, guys, and I decided to take you guys along with me. Well, right here, not really sure which way to go now. As you can see, guys, I can go left or I can go right. Guys, I'm not really sure where any of these trails will take me. Let me see. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Tell me which way to go. So guys, apparently I'm going left. So let's explore and see what kind of fun I can find. So guys, I can see a huge butterfly and I just wanted to share that with you guys. Hopefully I can get a close up. But I'm trying to see if I can get a real close up. Guys, look guys, absolutely amazing, guys. I've never seen such a close up of such beauty. Absolutely beautiful. Hey guys, look, it's the end. Oh, I'm so happy, guys, because being in nature could be a bit scary and fun at the same time, but that's what exploring is all about. But when you see the end, you're always so happy because anything could have happened on my journey, but so happy that I finally made it to the end, guys. Like always, thank you guys so much for watching, and if it's your first time, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. You are awesome.